Imagine making money while scrolling through social media. Fascinating, right? Many people are turning their passion for social media into profit. This video explains how you can do it too. First, choose a niche that excites you. Consider fashion, travel, or fitness. This step establishes your focus area. Next, create engaging content that resonates with your audience. This can be posts, videos, or stories. Growing your audience is crucial. Consistency pays off here. Post regularly and interact with followers. Now, explore monetization options. Consider affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or digital products. Affiliate marketing is straightforward. Share products and earn commissions on sales. Sponsored posts involve collaborating with brands. They pay you to promote their products. You can also sell digital products, like ebooks or online courses. Use your expertise to provide value. For example, a fitness coach could sell workout plans. This not only helps others, but also generates income. In summary, choose your niche, create great content, and grow your audience. Explore various monetization methods. Ready to turn your social media into a money-making machine? Take action today. Start creating and engaging.